Hey guys, welcome back to a new one. Today we are talking about how to capture screenshots SS on your Android phone. Normally you notice that on many Android mobiles, users can capture the screenshot with just swipe their three fingers on the screen from up to down or down to up. It's very normal and simple. But today we talk why in a Samsung device we cannot capture a screenshot with three fingers, and how can we get or take a screenshot on Samsung devices. What is the gesture? I will show and explain it clearly. But first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. You just need to open your mobile, then go to a little down, click on sounds and vibration. After clicking here, you just need to go a little more down. At the bottom side, you see alert when phone picked up option. Click on this one. Once you click here, then you can see here an option palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. On Samsung devices, to capture a screenshot, this is a little change then you can capture a screenshot. On other mobiles, you see with three fingers they can capture screenshot, but on Samsung devices with your palm edge side, take a edge of your hand across the screen to take a capture screenshot. But on Samsung, while you want to capture a screenshot, you should need to swipe the edge of your hand palm, okay? Then the screenshot will be captured. I hope this tutorial is helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.